Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Mk7 versus Mk8 Gti. We'll dive into the key differences that set these two generations apart, from their exterior styling to their interior technology. While both offer that classic GTI driving experience, the Mk8 brings a fresh perspective with its updated design and advanced features. Let's explore what makes each model unique and help you decide which one might be the better fit for you. When it comes to performance, both the Mk7 and Mk8 Gti deliver an exhilarating ride. The Mk8 boasts a slight bump in horsepower, offering around 241 horsepower compared to the Mk7 228 horsepower. Both cars maintain the GTI's reputation for agile handling and precise steering. The Mk8 also introduces a more advanced vehicle dynamics manager, enhancing its cornering capabilities and overall driving feel. You'll find a spirited experience in either model. Stepping inside, the Mk8 Gti presents a significant leap in interior design and technology. It features a fully digital cockpit and a larger, more integrated infotainment screen, creating a sleek, modern aesthetic. Many traditional physical buttons have been replaced with touch-sensitive controls, giving the cabin a minimalist feel. While the Mk7 interior is still functional and comfortable, the Mk8 offers a more futuristic and connected experience for the driver and passengers alike. Ultimately, choosing between the Mk7 and Mk8 Gti depends on your priorities. The Mk7 often provides excellent value, especially if you're looking for a pre-owned hot hatch with proven performance. The Mk8, on the other hand, delivers the latest in design, technology, and a slightly more refined driving experience. Both are fantastic cars, but the Mk8 is a step forward. Check the description for a link to these awesome meal prep containers and other great deals. Consider your budget and desired features to make the best decision for your driving pleasure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.